It's now nearly 2 years since Tesla boss Elon Musk announced his company would start offering insurance to his customers at 20 or even 30% discount to regular insurance. What if you didn't have to go round and round with your insurance company, not to mention some random collision repair shop that you may be forced to use? According to Tesla CEO Elon Musk, Tesla's goal is to handle both facets of car ownership to streamline the process. Tesla Insurance, the auto insurance offshoot of Tesla Incorporated, will become one of the largest auto insurers in America if the unit's valuation by Chief Executive Elon Musk is to be believed. In recent quarterly earnings call, Musk dropped hints that he sees Tesla Insurance taking up a good portion of the company's car business. Insurance is substantial, so insurance could very well be, 30%, 40% of the value of the car business, frankly, he said. 30% might not sound like much, but a report from Clean Technica puts the figure into perspective. As of July, Tesla's value exceeded almost every company in the S&P 500, the Clean Technology News portal noted, with the company's market cap currently sitting at $391.95 billion US. If Tesla Insurance was 30% of the company's current market cap, it would easily take the top insurer spot from State Farm, which has a market cap of $42 billion US. Musk also explained how Tesla is well positioned to compete in the insurance segment, citing how the company has a much better feedback loop instead of being statistically like other insurers. And obviously, somebody does not have to choose our insurance, but I think a lot of people will. It's going to cost less and be better, so why wouldn't you? The CEO commented. Something like insurance is a good example of a product that's made by our internal applications team, the CEO said. So we made the insurance product and connected it to the car, looked at the data, and calculated the risk. This is all internally, basically an internal software application. Now, some of the insurance industry are saying that this is the start of the trend of car makers becoming insurers. The result, they say, could be devastating for traditional insurers who simply have nothing like the level of data about their customers that Tesla and other car makers do. It's the same disadvantage brick-and-mortar retailers have against the likes of Amazon, an often fatal lack of customer information. Traditionally, insurance has been a very blunt instrument. Yes, you can broadly identify high-risk groups, young men if we're talking about car insurance, or smokers if we're talking about life insurance. But it's very difficult to tailor premiums to the precise risk of each individual. Inevitably, low-risk customers end up subsidizing risk customers. Technology is massively changing for this for all types of insurance. The ability to collect data about your customers continuously and to use artificial intelligence to analyze that data is allowing insurance companies to provide much more accurate, up-to-date risk analysis and to price policies accordingly. It's a trend that is fraught with ethical problems, particularly in health and life insurance, as it could allow insurers to monitor the state of your health and ramp up your premiums accordingly. For car insurance, it may be less controversial beyond objections to the basic invasion of privacy. If you're a consistently safe driver, you should be rewarded with a low premium. As you are probably already aware, Tesla makes every attempt to handle the majority of its business and services in-house. It sells its cars directly to consumers, it produces its seats, it has a battery factory, it's starting to produce its batteries, it handles its own service, and it's beginning to expand its own car insurance program. For car companies that can be bothered to get into the insurance business, that provides one huge advantage over traditional insurers. They are the ones that have access to all that data. A company like Tesla can track your driving behavior in real time and build a risk profile to a level of detail that would have been unimaginable to insurance companies even a few years ago. In an interview on US TV news network CNBC, Daniel Schreiber, chief executive of AI-focused insurer Lemonade, said the traditional motor insurance industry should be worried. He said that when one thinks about what Tesla is doing with the connected car, that has a profound impact on insurance. There's going to be a massive dislocation in this entire sector, and the data implications are profound, and they aren't good for incumbent insurers. He further states that Tesla's advantage came from the constant stream of live data feeds. Thanks to Tesla Insurance, Tesla Incorporated as a whole gains insight into repair costs of its vehicles. This is the feedback loop Musk is referring to. Those insights then allow Tesla to make changes to its processes and even vehicle designs to make them cheaper and easier to repair, and in the long run, help save Tesla's customers money. Tesla also has the advantage of making full use of the telematics already integrated into its cars, Musk added in his quarterly earnings call. All of the pricing of insurance until now has had to look at big groups of people in aggregate and price them on average. As soon as you can break apart that average, that monolith, and price people using specific data to them, you have a massive advantage that incumbent insurers don't like, he said. He said safer cars and a potential shrink in car ownership as new models of car use emerge would make things even worse for insurers. Over the next decade, if you're sitting on the board of directors of one of these big incumbents, it's pretty daunting because you're going to see the total pie shrink. Accidents are going to decline, and car ownership may well decline, and in any event, some of those dollars are going to go to businesses' insurance fleets, rather than individuals owning them. Financial analysts at investment banking giant Morgan Stanley think Schreiber is on to something and says other car makers are sure to follow suit. We expect to see over the near to medium term, with rather few exceptions, that all auto OEMs, not just Tesla, will offer auto insurance services directly to their customers on their connected vehicle platforms, they said in a note to investors last week. With that said, if your Tesla is in a collision and you have to take it to a Tesla-approved collision repair shop, though Tesla is beginning to offer collision repairs at some of its service centers. A recent tweet from Tesla owner, fan, and hardcore SpaceX enthusiast Everyday Astronaut praised Tesla's mobile service, but pointed out after his Model 3 returned from an approved body shop, the side mirror wasn't working and there was a super loud whistle from the windshield. Fortunately, Tesla sent mobile repair out to quickly fix the issues. CEO Elon Musk replied to the tweet stating that once Tesla builds up its collision repair service, it will help minimize such problems. Moreover, for folks who have Tesla's auto insurance, the two services could work hand in hand. Musk pointed out that insurance companies tend to make you go to an approved body shop, but with Tesla insurance along with the collision repair at Tesla Service Center, it would be a smooth sailing. You may also be aware that many Tesla owners wait weeks and sometimes months for collision repairs to be completed. There are issues with parts, and body shops aren't always up to date on new issues with Tesla's vehicles or recent updates, etc. A few years back, Musk tweeted that Tesla is planning to bring most collision repairs in-house. Clearly, the whole in-house insurance and collision repair situation is taking time. These services are among a very long and growing list of Tesla's plans for the future. However, eventually most Tesla owners will be able to secure their cars through Tesla and get them repaired at their local Tesla service center. This is yet another look at how the future may play out when it comes to vehicle ownership. What do you think about Tesla's insurance plan? Would Elon Musk expertly make this a success? Let us know what you think by leaving a comment in the section below.